Welcome back. I'm Jamie from the blog LuxPetite, all about luxury and style. Today I have an unboxing video. I'm so excited because this is one of my dream bags. I have it right here in this box, so let's get started. Okay, we are finally got the bag. And we are here. So I'm going to tell you guys that this bag was one of my dream bags. I thought it was impossible because they just didn't make the color anymore until I had a fellow YouTuber, 408 California. Thank you, Tanya. You are amazing, and I'm so excited for this, you guys. So, you guys have any guesses? Okay, guys. Finally got it out of the box. So with that, the Givenchy, and it is, oh my, it's got a lot of stuffing. Oh my. Okay, woo! Here we go. I swear, this was amazing. This is beautiful. Isn't she gorgeous? Okay guys, the Givenchy Antigona in the small size. She is gorgeous. I mean, talk about dream bags. I really thought my cognac bag dreams with the Antigona were long gone because they just don't make this color anymore. And when Tanya from 408 California, when she put that up for sale, and I was in the Indianapolis airport that so happened to see that Instagram post, I was like, this is meant to be. So with that, I contacted her right away, and it was just a seamless transaction. So thank you, Tanya. You were amazing. But this bag, I am just floored. But again, you know, I was at the point where I was considering other bags, whether it was like, say, the puzzle bag in tan, there was another YSL bag, all in that brown cognac, considered Fendi. But this bag is very special, and I don't have a Givenchy in my collection. So I'm just going to look at the bag, and what's amazing is that Tanya from 408 California, she's also a big bag collector and very particular like me, so I know that this bag, it's excellent condition. Thank you. This bag does come with the removable strap, and she's so cute. She has the tags, of course, with the bag, and this amazing bag shaper as well. Gosh. Now this is definitely a forever bag in my collection. I was not planning on getting this bag. Like I said, I really thought that my cognac bag dreams were long gone. Sometimes when you come across that one dream bag, you just have to like jump on it. And for me, this was one of them. I'll try to put a couple of mod shots as well so you can see how the bag just styles. Okay guys, well that's it for my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you back, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.